In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 drawing tablets available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Wacom Cintiq 16 drawing tablet. For most people, from beginners to seasoned pros, the Wacom Cintiq 16 is the best drawing tablet. The 15.6-inch glass display features a huge active surface of 13.6 by 8.6 inches, allowing for creative, lag-free drawing. It has an anti-glare covering that reduces distracting reflections and adds friction to help imitate the sense of drawing on paper. Its express keys are tucked away on the tablet's back edge, saving vital screen real estate. The battery-free, cordless pen on the Wacom Cintiq 16 is lightweight, pressure-sensitive, and has a natural feel to it, just like a conventional pen. It can also be tilted to a maximum of 60 degrees. The tablet also provides some software-assisted assistance, with anti-jitter technology ensuring clean lines. The Cintiq 16 is a well-rounded drawing tablet for enthusiasts and professionals, thanks to its adaptable pen and high-quality surface. At number 4 is the XPPen Artist 24 Pro drawing tablet. If you need a lot of sketching space, the 23.8-inch XPPen Artist 24 Pro has plenty of it. Your creations come to life in vibrant color on the 2K QHD display, allowing you to see even the tiniest details. It's designed for ease of use. The tablet stand is tiltable up to 60 degrees, allowing you to locate your sweet spot with ease. It also caters to both right and left-handed artists, with knobs and shortcut keys on both sides of the tablet for easy access. In any case, all 20 shortcut keys are configurable, allowing you to tailor the tablet to your own needs. The XPPen Artist 24 Pro comes with a battery-free stylus with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a 60-degree tilt, allowing you to create the most sensitive digital drawings. Top 3 at our list is the Huion H420 drawing tablet. The Huion H420 is an excellent drawing tablet. It's extremely economical, simple to use, and compatible with a wide range of popular creative software. It's also lightweight and portable, with plug-and-play capability that allows you to take it with you wherever you go without having to install anything. All you need is a tablet, a pen, and a USB cable to get started drawing. The Huion H420 comes with a pen that has 2048 pressure sensitivity levels. It only needs a AAA battery to operate and lasts a long time. This would be regarded acceptable even by pros. Moving away from the pen, the tablet has express keys that make actions like undo, save, and so on a breeze. The Huion H420 is great if you're searching for a budget-friendly drawing tablet that won't break the bank. It's ideal for beginners, budget-conscious pros, and even kids who wish to try their hand at digital exploring and exhibiting their creativity. Moving up at number 2 is the GAOMON PD1560 drawing tablet. The GAOMON PD1560 has a 15.6-inch display with a 1920 by 1080 resolution that is large and brilliant. It competes with the Wacom alternatives in certain ways, but because it lacks a touch wheel or flashy multi-touch, we believe it is a better match for our top pick from XPPen. It has many of the features of the Artist 12, such as 72% color gamut accuracy and 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity from the active pen. What sets it apart from the Artist 12 is that it has 10 assignable function keys, arranged in a column on the left edge of the device. This device, though, will set you back roughly $100 extra. The brightness of the IPS display and the additional function keys may be enough to justify the higher price tag, but the device's awkwardly large form factor means it will take up a lot of space on your desk. And at number 1 is the Simbans PicassoTab drawing tablet. Despite the fact that we avoided standalone tablets for this evaluation, the Simbans PicassoTab is indeed a solo tablet. Because that's what it excels at, we think this item may be classified as a drawing-specific tablet. If you're looking for an Android tablet for video consumption and online browsing, this one will suffice, but the Amazon Fire tablets are also a nice option. Drawing is something that this tablet excels at. And there are 2 reasons for this. It comes with an active stylus that allows for good palm rejection right out of the box, crucial for avoiding these presses while drawing. It also comes preloaded with Autodesk Sketchbook and Artflow, 2 fantastic Android sketch apps for beginners. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.